Hi guys, Phil Turtle here, helping you to present like a pro. Now today's tip is about one of the hand gestures I mentioned before, and that's the warrior. Now I hope you remember that I said in one of the earlier tips that when you're not making an absolute gesture, you should keep your hands in this, the neutral position. Elbows in, hands gently clasped in front of you so they're not waving around like a windmill on acid. So who's the warrior? Well, the warrior stands with his sword upright, and he is the courageous one, the protector of truth. She guards boundaries, pushes forwards, conquers fears, conquers foes, and really sort of sets the standard. Now the warrior, and this is where you come across as a warrior on stage, is you set the standard and you inspire people, you inspire your audience to go forward and conquer. And let's see an example of that. So in the middle of one's presentation, here we go. So here's how you will overcome your fear of public speaking. First, and on you go. So this is the warrior. The warrior is the brave you. It shows to the audience that you can lead, that you're fearless, that you will conquer, and that you will protect them. So guys, there's one tip on one of the stances to use, one of the gestures that we use to make an emphasis. So here's to your success. Get out there and present like a pro.